Welcome to science class. In this video we are going to study about seismograph, use of seismograph, structure of seismograph, function of seismograph and protection against earthquake. In previous videos you have studied about focus, epicenter and seismic wave. What is seismic waves? Seismic waves are waves of energy that travels through earth layer due to earthquake. The tremors produce waves on the surface of the earth during earthquake. These waves are called as seismic waves. As we know that the waves are produced at focus and travels in all directions during the earthquake. Can seismic waves be recorded in any instrument? Yes, it can be recorded in an instrument called as seismograph. This is also called as seismometer. This is a picture of seismometer. Who invented the seismograph and when? The first seismograph was invented by Zhang Yang of China during 2nd century. So, what is seismograph? How can we define seismograph? A seismograph is an instrument which records the seismic waves produced by tremors. A seismograph is used to record the seismic waves produced during earthquake. Let's see the structure of seismograph. A seismograph is made of a vibrating rod, a pen and a paper roll. The vibrating rod is also called as pendulum. The pen is attached to the vibrating system. So, how does a seismograph work? The vibrating rod starts vibrating when tremors occur. The pen is attached to the vibrating system. This pen records and starts plotting wave-like pattern on the paper. The wave-like pattern is then analyzed by scientists to construct a complex map of earthquake. Scientists can also estimate the power of an earthquake from this graph. In previous videos, I have told you regarding power of an earthquake and the destruction it causes. We know that the earthquake cannot be predicted easily. Earthquakes are highly destructive. It is therefore important that we take necessary precaution to protect ourselves all the time. Fault zones are the weak zone where earthquakes are more likely to occur. People living in these regions have to be specially prepared. First of all, the building in these zones should be so designed that they can withstand major tremors. So it is advisable to make the structure simple so that it is quake safe. People living in seismic zones should remember some important things before making building. They should consult a qualified architect and structural engineer. So in highly seismic areas, the use of mud or timber is better than using heavy construction materials. Keep roofs as light as possible. In case the structure falls, the damage will not be heavy. It is better if the cupboards and shelves are fixed to the walls so that they do not fall easily. Be careful where you hang wall clock, photo frames, water heaters, so that in the event of an earthquake they do not fall on people. Since some buildings may catch fire due to an earthquake, it is necessary that all buildings, especially tall buildings, have fire fighting equipment in working order. What should we do at home during earthquake? Okay. Take shelter under a table and stay there till the shaking stops. Okay. Stay away from tall and heavy objects that may fall on you. If you are in bed, do not get up. Protect your head with a pillow. If you are outdoor, what should you do? Find a clear spot away from buildings, trees and overhead power lines. Drop to the ground. If you are in a car or bus, do not come out. Ask the driver to drive slowly to a clear spot. Do not come out till the tremors stop. In this way, we can protect ourselves indoor and outdoor from earthquake. Thanks for watching.